Hello everyone, welcome to our new video. In this video, we'll show you how to set up Google Ads conversion tracking for your Shopify store. Okay, so without any further delay, let's get started. So you can see over here, I have created a doc file where I have mentioned the tasks I will be doing in this video. Okay, so you can see over here, first of all, we'll be enabling data layer. Then we'll install Google tag. Then we're going to be adding a conversion linker tag. Then we'll show you how to set up Google Ads conversion tracking for the purchase event, and additionally how you can set up enhanced conversion for the data accuracy. And which extension do you want to install for debugging and previewing Google Tag Manager due to Shopify's checkout extensibility. So without any further delay, let's see how we can set up Google Ads conversion tracking for your Shopify store. Okay, so you can see over here, I have already created a demo store so that I can show you how to set up Google Ads conversion tracking for the purchase event. Okay, then additionally, I have created a Google Tag Manager account. Okay, and here is our Google Ads account. Perfect. So let's start by doing the first task, which is enabling data layer. Okay, so first of all, we can check whether the data layer is enabled for this site or not. So we can take the help of this extension called data layer checker plus. Okay, then you can install other extension as well, like data layer checker, simple data layer, but this one is better actually. So you can see over here, sorry, no data layer found. Okay, that means data layer isn't installed on this website. So let's enable the data layer first. So first of all, we need to go to the admin panel of our site. So as you know, this is a Shopify store. So for going to the admin panel, what we need to do is we need to insert our website URL on our browser, then write /admin. Okay, perfect. Then we are gonna be enabling the theme independent data layer for our Shopify store. Okay, so you can see over here, we're gonna be implementing this theme independent data layer. So the beauty of using this data layer is if you change any theme on your store, then it will still be working. Perfect. So we have come to the backend section of our website. Then I'll go to the settings portion. Then I'm going to scroll down. Then we'll have an option called customer events. Okay, so I'm going to click on it. Then we need to add a custom pixel. So I'm going to click on it and I'll name this as Google Ads conversion tracking, maybe 2025. Okay, then I'm going to click on add pixel. Then in the customer privacy section, in the permission section, we are going to be selecting not required, and in the data cell section, we are going to be selecting data collected does not qualify as data cell. Okay, then we're going to be removing this code and we'll be copying this code. So let me copy the full code and paste it over here. Okay, let's come to the top section. Just wait a little bit and we need to remove this. And we're going to be removing the extra spaces. So in this data layer, what you need to do is you need to change this GTM ID. Okay, so I'll go to the tag manager and I'm going to be copying this GTM ID and I'll be pasting it over here. Okay, so what you need to do is you need to insert your Google Tag Manager ID over here. Then you need to click on save. Okay, then you need to connect this pixel. So I'm gonna hit connect. Then you can see pixel connected. Okay, perfect. So let's go to the website and let's take the help of this extension again. Okay, so let's click on it. So as I told you, Shopify has deprecated uh, some features. So that's why for seeing the checkout extensibility, we need to enable this extension and we need to enable this check mark, Shopify custom pixel data layer checker. Okay, and I'll hit save. Then if I refresh the screen again, then you will see the data layer. Okay, like page view. Okay, so this is our page view event, and if I click one of the products, for example this one, and then again go to the data layer checker extension, then you can see view item event has fired, and you can see the parameters value. Okay, so yeah, and if you go to the add to cart event, then you will also see the add to cart event over here. Okay, and you can see all the data layer values over there. Okay, perfect. Now we need to go to the second checklist, which is how to install Google Tag, because number one is done. Now we'll show you how to install Google Tag. Okay, so let's go to the tag manager and create a new tag. Okay, we're going to be selecting Google Ads, then we're going to be selecting Google Tag. So for getting Google Tag, we need to go to the Google Ads account goals section, and from goals we're going to be navigating to the conversion section, then summary, just wait a little bit. Then we'll click on create conversion action. I'm going to be selecting website. Now we need to provide the website domain, so we can copy this domain. And we'll be pasting it over here. Okay, so we're not gonna be using this option. We're gonna be adding conversion action manually. Okay, perfect. And as I already told you, I'll be setting up Google Ads conversion tracking for the purchase event. So from the goals and action optimization section, I'll be selecting purchase. Okay, then I can name this as Google Ads conversion tracking purchase event. Okay, purchase event. Perfect. Then I'll be use different values for each conversion, and I'll be counting every conversions. Then click through conversion window would be 90 days. Then engage view conversion window would be 30 days. Then I'm going to maximize this view through conversion window as 30 days, and attribution model would be data driven. And yes, I want to set up enhanced conversion as well. So I'll click on done. Then I'll click on save and continue. Then you can see over here, they have given us the instruction to set up the Google tag. Okay, so I'll click on it. Then this is our Google tag ID. Okay, so I'm gonna copy it because we are gonna be using Google Tag Manager option. But first we need to set up the Google tag. Okay, so I can either create a constant variable for the Google tag ID. Yeah, that would be better. So let's create a constant variable for Google tag ID. Okay, and I'll be selecting a constant variable, and I'll be giving the copied value over here. Okay, perfect. Then as the triggering, I will be selecting all pages a trigger, and I can name it as Google tag, then Google Ads, okay? Because there would be tag for GA4 and other platforms, so it is better to mention the platform name. So I should write Google Ads here. So point 2 is done. We have installed the Google tag. Now we need to add a conversion linker tag. Okay, so I'll click on new, then I'll click on tag configuration, Google Ads conversion linker, then triggering would be for the all pages. Okay, I can name this as conversion linker. So number 3 is also done. Now we'll show you how to set up Google Ads conversion tracking for the purchase event. Okay, perfect. So this is our tag ID, conversion tag ID, and conversion label. So first of all, we need to create the necessary variables for the purchase event. Okay, so for Google Ads purchase event, we need purchase currency, transaction ID, and purchase value. Okay, so let's create that. So for creating this, we need to make a purchase first. So let's click on buy it now. Maybe I can refresh the screen and give the password just a little bit. So let's make a purchase. For example, this one, add to cart, checkout. Then I'll quickly purchase this product. Card number as one, as we're using the bogus gateway. Then I'll be inserting any future dates. 1 to 1. Then I'm gonna click on pay now. Okay, now we'll go to this extension, the purchase event. We're gonna be not from there actually. What we need to do, we need to make a purchase from the tag manager section. Okay, so for if you try to preview that GTM like this, then I'll show you what will happen. So let's copy this and paste it over here and click on connect. Then you will see GTM tag not found problem. Okay, so Google tag not found. So you can fix this problem by going to this extension. So what you need to do, you need to enable this extension from Chrome store. Then what you need to do, you need to select this option, and for enabling GTM on the preview mode, you need to enable this checkbox, and you need to provide this GTM head code. GTM head code over there and click on save. Okay, perfect. Now if you preview it, then you will see tag manager will be connected to this site. Okay, perfect. So let's preview it. I'll be providing the website URL over here and hit connect. Now we should see tag assistant connected over here and here as well. Now let's make a purchase. Okay, so for example, we're going to be selecting this product. I'm going to add this product to the cart. I'll go to the checkout. and all the billing informations are there. Now I need to provide the card number as 1. Please insert the future date as security code would be 121. I'm gonna hit pay now. Then we should see the purchase event. Okay, yeah, purchase event. Let's go to the data layer. Now we can see e-commerce, currency, value, tax, coupon, shipping. So we need currency, then transaction ID and value. So let's create the data layer variable for that. So I'll go to the variable section. Then user defined variable, I can name it as Google Ads purchase currency. I'll be choosing variable configuration as data layer variable, and let's go to the data layer and copy this e-commerce. So you have already known how to take these sort of things, So e-commerce, then currency. So e-commerce is an object, that's why we are putting dot over here. Okay, so e-commerce dot currency. I'm gonna hit save. Now I can copy this variable and modify it. Google Ads purchase currency, then value. Okay, so e-commerce dot currency, so the schema is same, so I can copy only the value. So instead of currency, I'm gonna be inserting the value over here. Okay, perfect. And the last one would be the transaction ID. Okay, so I can copy this data layer variable and then later modify it. So Google Ads purchase transaction ID. Now I'll be changing the value and provide transaction ID. Perfect. So we have created the necessary variables for the purchase event. Now we need to create the necessary trigger. So if I go to the purchase event, then you will see the event name. Okay. Let's scroll down to the to the bottom section and see if there is any event name or not. Yeah, so it is over there, event name purchase. So let's make a trigger for the purchase event. So I can name it as purchase trigger, and I'll be selecting the custom event name would be purchase, and I'll hit save. Perfect. Then I'll go to the tag section. I'm gonna be creating a tag. So the tag name would be this one, Google Ads conversion tracking purchase event. So I can use this as my tag name. So I'll be selecting Google Ads conversion tracking. Now I need to provide the conversion ID and conversion level. So if I go to the Google Ads account, then you will see the conversion ID over here. So what I can do is I can create a constant variable for the conversion ID. Google Ads conversion ID. Okay. Variable configuration would be a constant variable and value would be this. Perfect. So Google Ads conversion ID, and this is the conversion label. So I'll not be using any constant variable for the conversion label. And as I told you, we need these 3 parameters. So conversion value, transaction ID, and currency. So we have already created them. So I'll be selecting this Google Ads purchase value as the conversion value, and transaction ID would be Google Ads purchase transaction ID, and currency code would be Google Ads purchase currency. Okay, perfect. And as the triggering, we'll be triggering it as the purchase trigger. So we have created the point 4, how to set up Google Ads conversion for the purchase event. Now we need to set up the enhanced conversion for the purchase event. So what we need to do is we need to create a separate tag for the enhanced conversion. So first of all, let's create all the necessary variables for the enhanced conversion tag. Okay, so we'll go to the user defined variable and we'll go to the data layer of the purchase event. Okay, and here you will get all the parameters for the enhanced conversion tag. So first one is email. So I can name this like this, customer, then email. Then I'll be using data layer variable, and you can use the email like this. Okay, e-commerce, not e-commerce email. Okay, just email. Email. Then you can take the phone number. Okay, so I can copy this customer phone, email, phone, then customer address line 1. I can create the data layer variable for this address line 1. So this would be like this. Okay, then customer city, so data layer variable for the customer city. Yeah, I can name this like customer city. Okay, then customer country. Customer country, I'll be selecting data layer variable and insert the value. Then customer first name, country code is not necessary. Customer first name. Then customer last name. Okay. Then the next one would be, I have taken customer phone number already. Customer state, yeah. And then customer zip code. Okay. So I think we're done. Perfect. So customer zip codes, data layer variable, customer zip code. Perfect. Now we need to go to the tag section and we need to create a tag for Google Ads enhanced conversion. Okay. So what we need to do, we need to finish this. So I'll be selecting Google Ads, then you'll have an option called Google Ads user provided data events. So you need to select the conversion ID. We have already created the conversion ID. Okay. Then you will see the green signal over there. Okay, Google tag found in this container. Then select user provided data variable. So I'll be creating a new variable. So I'll name this as enhanced conversion data. Okay, user provided data. Now, then in the email section, we are gonna be selecting the customer email. The phone number section, we're gonna be selecting customer phone. In the first name section, we're going to be selecting customer first name. The last name section, we're going to be selecting the data layer variable, customer last name. Then in the street section, we're going to be using customer address line 1. In the city section, we're going to be selecting customer city. In the region section, we are going to be using customer state. In the country section, we are going to be using customer country. And in the postal code section, we're going to be using customer zip. Okay, and I'll click on save. And I'll click on save again. And I'll add a trigger. I'll be using the purchase event trigger. Okay, perfect. Then what we need to do is we need to debug GTM and preview all the tags, whether they are working or not. Okay, so I'll click on the preview section. Okay, tag assistant connected. So let's make a purchase. For example, this one. So I'll click on add to cart, view cart, checkout, and I have given all the necessary informations. Card number would be 1, expiry date 2/27, for example, 1/1. So I'll click on pay now. Let's go to the preview mode. So purchase event isn't fired. So let's make a purchase again. Maybe there could be some issues. Okay. So I'll go to the preview section again. Connect. I'll be selecting this product, for example. Add to cart, checkout. I'll click on the pay now button. Okay, you can see over here, Google Ads conversion tracking for the purchase event has fired. Google Ads enhanced conversion. So if I click on it, then if I click this event and select value, you can see the transaction ID is this conversion value. So let's go to there. You can see over here 11,500. Okay, so 11,500. Okay, conversion ID, currency code, BDT, so conversion level. So everything is working fine. So let's go to the variable section. So you can see the customer email. So I haven't provided the phone number, that's why it is not there. Customer address line 1, customer city, customer country, customer first name, last name, customer zip code, everything is there in the enhanced conversion section. Okay, that means we are collecting the enhanced conversion data for the conversion accuracy, and we have conversion ID, conversion purchase currency, and conversion purchase transaction ID, conversion Google Ads purchase value. Okay, so everything is working fine, everything is working properly. So this is how you can set up Google Ads conversion tracking for the purchase event. Okay, so before submitting the changes, what you need to do is you need to come to this extension and disable these two options. Okay, this is for seeing the preview, and whenever you want to make this live, please disable these two changes and hit submit button. Okay, perfect. So yeah, that's it for this video. Hopefully you have liked our video. If you like our video, then you can subscribe our channel, follow our page, and additionally, if you need to set up Google Ads conversion tracking for your service-based business, for your Shopify store or any e-commerce store or any kind of services, then you can contact us. We can help you for setting up Google Ads conversion tracking. Okay, so yeah, that's it for this video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.